As you figured out, Kavo is a great way to communicate with the residents in your community. You can communicate to all of the residents, one of the residents, or some of the residents. If you have residents who do activities together or hang out together, you have a group. You can create groups in Kavo, which will give you the ability to easily communicate with just them. From the Care Admin dashboard, click on the Groups tab on the left-hand side of the screen. At the top of the screen, you see there are 3 different types of groups you can create in Kavo: public groups, private groups, and care setting groups. Care setting's pretty obvious because it's all of the residents you have in a particular care setting. Public and private are different though. The big difference between private and public groups is group members can see who is a member of a public group and can send messages to the entire group. Private group members cannot see who else is in the group and can only send messages directly to the admin person who is messaging them. To create a new group, click on the tab for the type of group you want to create. Click on the New Group link and then type in the name for this group. Type in a brief description. And then click on the Residents section to add residents to this group. You can add residents by clicking on the name of the particular residents who will be part of that group. Once you're finished, click the Done button at the bottom of the screen. Then click the Add button. You've now created a new group in your community. If you need to make changes to a current group, click on the group itself there on the screen, click on the Residents section, and then click on the residents you would like to add to that particular group. If you have anyone you would like to remove, click on them, and Kavo is going to confirm that you would like to remove them from that group. Click on the Confirm button, and then click Done when you are finished. Click Done on the group screen, and your group has been updated. If you'd like to send a message to a particular group, click on the chat icon next to the group name, and then type in the message you would like to send to that group. Click the up arrow in the chat box, and that message will now appear on the television screens for the group members. This is just one of the many ways you have to use Kavo to keep your residents informed about what is happening in your community.